So welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Vaibhav Devan and I'm the Business Development Manager of GPC Group, joining you all from the GPC headquarters here in Sweden. India's government has published the fourth draft of the Chemical Management and Safety Rules in March this year. But what are these chemical rules, right? Chemical Management and Safety Rules is a legal framework and procedure for implementing notification of all chemical substances, mixtures, and intermediates placed in the Indian market, much like other familiar chemical regulations such as EU REACH, Korea REACH, or upcoming regulations like Turkey REACH. Today, through this conference, we'll update you with recent developments of CMSR and on fulfilling your duty under these chemical rules. But before we get into the details, I would like to give you a brief introduction about Global Product Compliance as a company. So GPC, Global Product Compliance, it specializes in global regulatory compliance solutions across sectors globally. SSS Europe, which might be a familiar name for some of you, has been renamed to GPC Europe by the early of this May 2020, but because it was acquired by the GPC holding in Sweden. We manage a broad portfolio of substances across the globe, and GPC has a client base of over 1,000 happy clients with a proud 99% client retention rate. We have registered many substances so far, and we also do SDS services and other REACH and CLP compliant SDS services. We have an extensive network of OECD GLP certified CRO managing toxicological, ecotoxicological, and other studies. And we also have automated compliance certificates management system. We call it a supply chain communication portal, which is used now by 4,000 plus users. As an organization, GPC is mainly divided into two parts. One is regulatory and the other is analytics. In the analytics, we have labs in Sweden and in India, whereas the regulatory part is divided into different entities across the globe, starting from London to Moscow, and the Indian entity is further divided into further parts. Under our specialized regulatory areas, we obviously deal with the Indian chemical management rules and different kind of REACH regulations across the globe, other chemical regulations from USA to Brazil to Japan, and cosmetic regulations. The important part here is that GPC has the capacity to delve and start services in any other new regulation, which will be upcoming in future. So today's agenda is we start by a presentation by Mr. Shishir Kumra, who is Executive Director of Global Product Compliance. He is also the member of CII's National Chemicals Committee and the member of the Technical Committee for drafting these Indian Chemical Management and Safety Rules. He will present on the background and key developments of CMSR. After this, we'll have a presentation by Dr. Jayachandran Nair, who will be talking about notification, annual reporting, and registration under CMSR. After these two presentations, we will have a special panel discussion. Along with two presenters, we'll have with us Mr. Srirang Booth, who is also a senior regulatory expert and CTO at the GPC group. I forgot to mention that Dr. Nair has recently joined the GPC group as the CEO of GPC India operations.